Hi, in this short presentation I will show you the KAESER SX6 Screw compressor. It's a 4 kilowatt compressor manufactured 2012, up to 15 bars. It's in great shape. Let's just see inside of the compressor first. It's install new oil separator, new oil filter and new air filter. Everything else is pretty clean and untouched. So let's look inside the electric equipment. It's all untouched, as I said. Siemens relays, computer, and of course on this side you have a Sigma controller equipped with KAESER level 2 Sigma controller, Sigma controller 2 card. Let's close it for now. The compressor is selling with a receiver of 300 liters. Just a minute. Let's fire it up. This is standard procedure for Sigma loading, and wait up to 60 seconds. As I said, you can see it on the pictures, but unfortunately the air receiver is in our other warehouse where we keep it. It's also KAESER's. So here it is. This model is this Sigma controller. It's run of the little under 6,000 hours under load. And currently is set to maximum 15 bars, so it's really a powerful machine. And now I will start it up for a bit. That's the water, by the way. Condensate water. Let's just check inside.